Hello students, welcome back to science class. Students, in the previous lecture we were discussing about the various sources of energy. Today we are going to start with the conventional sources of energy. In that category, first are the fossil fuels. Why fossil fuels are known as the conventional sources of energy? Because fossil fuels we are using them from the ancient times for a very long time. Students, in ancient time wood was only used as a source of heat energy. Only wood was used as a source of heat energy. Then wind and water were also used to produce energy. Then came the production of coal, which bring the industrial revolution, because industry run in a very fast way with the help of the coal. So industrial revolution was possible only with the help of the coal, which is a fossil fuel. Right students? Fossil fuel is what? Which is formed after several years. It cannot be formed in a short while. It formed after a very several years. So we started using coal, then became the industrial revolution. The increasing number of industries also made our life very easy in a better way. Then students, then we also understood that there are many disadvantages of fossil fuels. So we also proposed the alternative sources of energy. There were two factors in the fossil fuels. First was that it made our life easy, but disadvantage was that fossil fuel is a non-renewable sources of energy. It is a non-renewable sources of energy. It will finish after a short while because its quantity is limited. This fossil fuel are very limited in amount, so they will finish after few time. So we should always use them in a very reserved manner, but we didn't stop. We are using them in a great way. We are not stopping ourselves. Even we have many alternative sources of energy, but we are using coal and petroleum regularly. Other disadvantage of using fossil fuel is that fossil fuels produces air pollution. When we burn these fossil fuels, many poisonous gases are gone into the air, which causes air pollution. So due to the formation of oxides of sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, acid rain is formed, which is very harmful for all the living organisms. Acid rain is very harmful for all the living organisms. So this is the major disadvantage of using fossil fuels, that it creates pollution. It is not eco-friendly, and other point is that their amount is very limited. It will finish one day. So we should use the fossil fuels very less, rather we should use alternative sources of energy. Now I repeat, the first conventional source of energy is fossil fuel, which we are using for a very long time from the recent years in the ancient times, which also brought the industrial revolution. But there are many disadvantages of using fossil fuels. First, they are non-renewable sources of energy. They are in the very limited stock. Second disadvantage is that they create air pollution. They are also the major cause of acid rain, and they are the major cause of global warming also, which is the main problem of today's time. So students, this was the first conventional source of energy, that is fossil fuels. Other sources of energy we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.